I got a set of early airflow research LT-1 heads came in. These are from the 90s, before AFR even had a logo. And I don't know who was into them before, but it's got double springs on it with titanium retainers. And they never put a hardened spring seat on an aluminum head. All they had was shims. They had a whole bunch of shims in it. And you can see the retainer, the sharp damper is a flat wound damper between the two springs, just cut into these things. Some of them even broke through, which I've never seen that bad. But so I'm gonna you know, smooth out that damper, take the sharp edge, and I'm gonna put a hardened spring seat. And for some reason, AFR makes these things a really weird size. So I couldn't really get a regular spring seat to fit. 1.5-inch spring seat. The springs are 437. Anyway, after just doing some research, the quickest solution is to actually cut the spring seat to fit a normal size, hardened spring seat. So I got this, that's a spring seat cutter. I'm gonna cut it to 1.5 inches. This is 480, and it'll drop right in, just like this. This one here hasn't been cut yet, and as you can see, it won't fit. So sometimes these companies do that just to make things a little bit difficult. They want you to buy their stuff. I've seen Brodix, they have their own guides, and they'll have their own, stem sizes. They don't use normal size stuff for some reason, but anyway, let's cut this. I've got the head leveled and I've got it centered up. I got some ink on there to see when I bottom out. And that's it. Perfect.